Are you ready to grow your wealth effortlessly over time? Whether you're new to investing or looking to level up your portfolio, ETFs might just be the game changer you need. Stick around, because today, I'll show you how to pick the best ETFs and use them to build long-term wealth, even if you're starting with just a little. Let's dive in. Hi, and welcome to America Finance. If you want your money to work for you while you sleep, then understanding ETF strategies is a must. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are one of the simplest, most effective tools for long-term wealth creation. Today, I'll explain how they work, why they're so powerful, and show you how to use them to build a rock-solid portfolio. Make sure you watch till the end, because I've got a bonus tip on how to maximize returns while minimizing risk. Let's get started. 1. What are ETFs? So, what exactly is an ETF? Think of it as a basket of investments, like stocks, bonds, or other assets, that you can buy and sell on the stock market, just like a single stock. Why are they so popular? Here are 3 reasons. Diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, ETFs spread your money across multiple investments. Low costs. Most ETFs are cheaper to own than mutual funds, meaning more of your money stays invested. Accessibility. Whether you have $50 or $50,000, you can start investing in ETFs. 2. Why ETFs are great for long-term wealth. When it comes to long-term investing, ETFs are like the Swiss Army knife of financial tools. Here's why. Compounding power. ETFs allow your money to grow over time by reinvesting dividends and capital gains. Low maintenance. You don't need to be an expert to use ETFs effectively. They're perfect for a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Stability over time. Market fluctuations may cause short-term noise, but over decades, diversified ETFs tend to deliver steady growth. 3. The best ETF categories for long-term wealth. Here's where the magic happens. Let's break down the best types of ETFs to consider for long-term wealth building. Broad market ETFs. Example: S&P 500 ETFs. These track the largest companies in the US and offer steady, reliable growth. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 7-10 annually after inflation. International ETFs. Example: MSCI Emerging Markets ETFs. Diversify beyond the US and tap into the growth of economies in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Bond ETFs. Example: Total Bond Market ETFs. These provide stability and income, especially during volatile stock market periods. Great for balancing risk. Sector-specific ETFs. Example: Technology ETFs. If you believe in the future of tech or specific industries, sector ETFs allow you to invest in growth areas without picking individual stocks. Dividend ETFs. Example: High dividend yield ETFs, perfect for generating passive income while also growing your wealth. 4. Pro tips for maximizing returns. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. This reduces the impact of market volatility. Reinvest dividends. Many ETFs pay dividends. Reinvest them to supercharge compounding. Keep fees low. Always check an ETF's expense ratio. The lower, the better for your long-term gains. Stay consistent, ignore market noise, and stick to your plan. Wealth is built over decades, not days. Expanding on the content. Here's how you can take your ETF video to the next level by incorporating additional sections or creative elements to keep the audience even more engaged. Add a real-life example section after explaining how ETFs work. Show a practical example. Scenario: let's say you invest $500 a month into an S&P 500 ETF with an average annual return of 8%. In 20 years, you'd have over $294,000. And in 30 years, that grows to $745,000. This is the power of consistency and compounding. Use simple graphs or visuals to demonstrate the growth, making it easier for viewers to visualize the potential. Discuss common mistakes to avoid. Over-diversifying. While diversification is key, owning too many ETFs can dilute your returns. Stick to 4-6 well-selected ETFs for most portfolios. Chasing hot trends. Avoid jumping into the hottest ETF just because it's trending. Always align your choices with your long-term goals. Production tips for engagement. Visuals. Use animations or infographics to explain concepts like diversification, compounding, and sector performance. B-roll. Include clips of stock charts, people working on their laptops, or visual representations of wealth building. Pacing. Keep your delivery energetic and your sentences short. Pauses help key points sink in. Subtitles. Many viewers watch videos without sound. Add subtitles for better retention. Music. Add upbeat, professional background music to maintain energy. With these additions, your video will be comprehensive, highly engaging, and valuable to a wide audience. Ready for the next step or more ideas? Bonus tip tease. Before diving into the bonus tip, build suspense. Now, for that bonus tip, I promised you earlier, this is one strategy even seasoned investors swear by to maximize ETF returns while reducing risk. Tip. Discuss asset rebalancing. Every year or so, check your portfolio. If one ETF has grown too much, sell a portion and reinvest in another to maintain your desired balance. This keeps your portfolio aligned with your goals, and there you have it. ETFs are your ultimate tool for growing wealth over the long term. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to secure your financial future. Got questions about ETFs? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.